Hi guys, is your Motorola phone stuck on the logo screen or keeps restarting again and again? Don't worry, I'll show you the easiest way to fix it using a free repair tool on your PC. This step-by-step guide is beginner friendly and safe, no technical skills required. First, let's take a quick look at the issue. Here's my Moto Edge 40. As you can see, it's stuck on the logo screen and keeps rebooting again and again. This kind of boot loop usually happens after a system crash, failed update, or software bug. But in my case, it happened because I flashed the wrong file while trying to root the phone. No matter the reason, we're going to fix it now. To do this, we'll need a PC, so let's switch to the computer screen. On your browser, search for Software Fix Motorola. This is the official software from Motorola to flash Moto devices. Open the second link. It should take you to Motorola's official support page. From there, download the software fix tool for PC. I've also added the direct download link in the video description to save you time. Once the file is downloaded, click on it to start the installation. The setup is simple. Just keep clicking next and OK, and the tool will be installed on your PC. It will also install the required Motorola USB drivers automatically, so you don't need to worry about that. Once installed, let's run it. Here, select phones under device type section and then click on fast boot connection. Now it's time to connect your Motorola phone to the PC using a USB cable. Let's switch over to the phone screen. Before we can flash the new software on our Motorola device, we need to boot it into bootloader mode, also known as download mode. To do this, simply press and hold the volume down and power buttons together for a few seconds until you see the bootloader screen. This step is important. The PC tool needs the phone in this mode to install the fresh system software. Once booted into download mode, connect your device with the PC. As soon as the device is connected, the software fix tool should automatically detect it. And yes, my Motorola device has been detected successfully. The tool now shows key details like the IMEI number, model name, Android version, and more. The tool also automatically checks for the latest official firmware available for your Motorola device. In my case, it's showing the latest software for the Moto Edge 40. Now simply click on the download button to begin downloading the latest firmware. It might take a few minutes since the file size is large, usually around a couple of gigabytes. Once the download is complete, you'll see a rescue button appear on the screen. So let me fast forward this part while it finishes downloading. And there we go. The rescue button is now available. Simply click on it to start flashing the official software onto your Motorola device. Now the tool will show a warning saying this process will erase all the data on your phone. So if you have important files, make sure to back up your data before continuing. The tool will now begin flashing the firmware. Make sure your phone stays connected during this process and don't unplug the USB cable. This step might take a few minutes, so just sit back and let the tool do its job. And there we go. Rescue is completed, which means the flashing process was successful. My Motorola phone is now rebooting automatically. This is a great sign. It means the software was installed correctly. Now the phone will boot into the setup screen just like a brand new device. So let me fast forward this part while I quickly go through the setup process. And there we go. My Motorola device has booted successfully. The boot loop issue is completely fixed, and the phone is now running smoothly without getting stuck on the logo screen. Everything looks good and the device is working just like new. And that's it. Your Motorola phone is now fully fixed and back to normal. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more easy Android fixes. All download links are in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.